Hello, this is your branding guide, eating reviews with branding guide. Today I'll be having some soft tacos that have meat in it, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and honey mustard, and sour cream. I put a little bit of sour cream. So I received my blessings off camera. This is a 5-minute video. The timer is on, and hopefully I won't be with you 5 minutes, but if so, be it, let it be. Without a computer, without an iPad, any means to make me to make videos, I have to do what I have to do. Borrowing a phone, upload videos. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe as well to my channel. There will be a prayer in the description below. Go and read that and receive it. It's something new I'm having on my channel. Got me a whole little tomato here. I love soft tacos. Because the salt for my gums and not hard. Yesterday I had hard tacos and it was cutting my gums. But I love them all. It's not a good camera. I know you can see a little blurriness because of the scratch on the phone, but it's gonna do for now. Take a bite of that.